Okay, we have a gymnast that has vault scores of 15.9, 15.6, and 13.7. What score must she get on her fourth vault to have an average of at least 15.0? Okay, so we know we're looking for the average of 4 scores, right? We have 3 of those scores, and we find that average by adding the 4 together and dividing by 4, because that's how many are in the set. So we have 15.9 plus 15.6 plus 13.7. Now we don't have that last score, that's what we're trying to figure out, but we're just going to put X there because we need kind of a placeholder so we can figure it out, and then all divided by 4. Okay, now she needs to have an average of at least 15. So this needs to be greater than or equal to 15. All right, now that we're at this point, we need to solve. So we've got our average over here. We know the average has to be at least 15. So let's first get rid of this 4. Let's multiply both sides by 4. So we'll do 4 over 1 here. We'll do 4 over here. Now it's really tempting to think, oh, I'll distribute this 4 through. But the reason we're multiplying by 4 is to get it to cancel. And once it's canceled, it is done. There's no more number there. We don't distribute anything through. It's taken care of. So then on this side, we want to add these numbers together. Let me do this real quick. So we get 45.2 with these 3 numbers added together, plus X is greater than or equal to 15 times 4, which is 60. So notice how multiplying by that 4 just simplifies super quick. And it works because it's multiplied by the whole expression, or the whole, this is basically one term because it's all divided by 4. And so that's why we can just cancel it out and it doesn't need to be distributed through. Okay, next we're going to subtract 45.2. We want to finish solving for X. So we end up with X is greater than or equal to 14.8. So let's see, does that make sense with the other scores? If she needs something at least 15, yeah, it seems like she'd need a little higher than 13.7 to keep her at that higher average of 15. So I think that looks right. I think our work looks right, and so that is our final answer. So yeah, make sure to set up your average first, greater than or equal to the number, and then be careful as you're multiplying, as you're getting rid of that denominator.